This will be an unboxing of the Coolmaster CM692 Advanced case. In Australia it retails for around $125 to $130 odd, depending where you get it from. I got mine from Umite Online at Milton. Very quick service, that's pretty much what Umite is renowned for, as well as having a big product inventory and stock supply. You can get pretty much anything that you need from Umite. Anyway, now let's just start the unboxing. There was a previous generation of this case, just the standard 690, which is similar look, but doesn't have the same features. It's more like retails for about in Australia anyway, the 80 mark. Though, in the US, if you're lucky, you can find this case for about $80, I've seen it. Depends on where you're getting it from, Newegg, Amazon, whatever. One of those places. Right. Pretty good packaging material. Just typically what you'd find. Plastic bag. Styrofoam on both sides of the case. We can see the hard disk drive dock. Bit of tape down there. Some fans at the back. Now the easiest way to get this out is just to get the box. Probably look a little bit awkward. Well, that's the box. Get it up, down, and then lift the box up. Got some of the details in the box. Just about, it's got its cable management, and it's 7+1 expansion slots, tool-free hard drives, front blue LED fan on the side, all the details, all the specifications. It's very nice sort of design for the box. And so just another picture, and then just the front. Anyway, get what you're all probably wanting to see. Installation guide. Pretty standard. The case itself. The labelled back. Probably not the best unboxing video you'll find in this case. The better professional one is Hardware Nuts. We've got a video review. 3 Game Man. Ordinary 3 Game Man's probably got one of the better videos, but just to get the case from a bit of a different light. Let's just turn this case back up. Very nice, sleek design. 2 spots for fans on the left side panel. It's got a E-SATA, 2 USB, headphone microphone jack, power button, reset button, fan, button to turn off the LEDs in the front fan. You've got 4 5¼ drive bays, and they do include adapters for 3.5" drives. Let's say you want to put in a memory card reader or a floppy, God forbid. Now if we just take this bit of tape off here, it's got X-Stock written there. It just covers. Yeah, I would probably leave it off. Got your SATA connections down here. Turn to the back of the case. We've got 2 grommeted holes for external water cooling systems tubes to pass through. Got a 120mm fan, 7 expansion slots. The motherboard's I/O shield plate goes. Bottom out of power supply, where all power supplies should be. Okay, let's just take off the side panel. There are 2 thumb screws on each side. Wow, sort of goodies in this box. Let's see what we have here. VGA holder. You can put, I believe, an 80mm fan. Probably won't be using that. Power supply dust filter just goes down here at the bottom. Don't know why it's not in there from the start. We've got screws, motherboard standoffs, cable ties, there's a speaker, all that good stuff. And in this last thing, in this paper, oh, that was smart. Let's just get these accessories out of the way. It's pretty sort of strong, sturdy design. There's also with the half X, although I do believe that they did change this section of the design with the half X, which has USB 3. Although it goes to the front, the back panel connectors no front USB headers. Although AMD are kind of winning in that front, where they have USB 3 native integration. Not that I like AMD. More of an Intel person, as most people should be. The toolless drive bays. In this particular one, we've got an SSD, or just a 2.5-inch bracket. You can mount 2 there. It just comes out like so. Pop a standard 3.5-inch hard drive in there, and you just pop it back in, and then just pull it back. Front panel connectors, we've got a Molex for the SATA power, we've got reset switch, your SATA connections for the E-SATA and the hard disk drive dock. You've got our front panel audio, HD audio or AC97 if you're using that, something wrong with you. Then at the back here we've got tangled up, got the fans, actually 3-pin fans that can connect to Molex. They actually give you back a Molex connector. There's a 120mm, a 140mm at the top, one 140mm blue one at the front. There you can add another 120, 140 at the top. You can add another, you can take out this bottom hard drive cage and you can add another 142, 140mm or like a 120 at the bottom, which I will probably be doing because I'll have leftover fans with like the Corsair H50 which I've got, which I'm not going to be using because I've got some better fans called Master Blade Masters, which you know a lot more than using push pull. Put an 80mm fan at the back, I believe. Of course, you've got cable management all along here. We can make it very easy to manage with this case. Toolless 5-1/4 drive bays. Simple. It's open. Put drive in. You lock it off. Very nice case. I don't know why people go out and buy cases that, you know, similar price range. They're just not as good with the features. The front, nice, very nice design. The back, got all the expansion slots. Maybe a fan on the right side panel. Now you can get a windowed variant with this case. I'm not sort of a windowed side panel kind of person. I don't really want to see what's in the case. I don't need to know. I know what's in there, I just don't need to see it. Some people like that. It's very modder friendly, this case, and considering the price range, it's going to be very enticing for all. So yeah, that's it. Coolmaster CM690 2 advanced case. Retails Australia for about $125. I actually picked mine up for $135. Really nice case. It's one of the best in the whole mid-tower category, ignoring the price range, but in the $100, you know, to $150 low, sort of near $200, not quite. It just blitzes every other case that's out there. And you're starting to see now, like with Antec and other manufacturers, are starting to include hard drive docks in the case, with Antec's actually solid state drives. I'm thinking, you've tried to copy Coolmaster there. This concludes the unboxing for the Coolmaster CM690 2 Advanced case.